I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to send money using Telefonica, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Telefonica app. Launch the Telefonica app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the money transfer section. Once you're in the app, look for the money transfer or send money option in the main menu. This is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Enter recipient details. Input the recipient's phone number or select them from your contacts. Ensure that the number is correct to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Note, double check the recipient's number. I once sent money to the wrong contact because I misclicked. Step 4. Specify the amount. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and send. Review all the details, then hit the send button to complete the transaction. You should receive a confirmation notification once the money is sent. I hope this guide helps you send money easily with Telefonica. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.